How to get a custom mouse on Windows. Step 1. Choose an image and convert it to curve format. First, choose the image you want to become your new cursor, then search in your browser for IMG to cur, and click the option you see on the screen. Upload the image onto convert it to curve format. Then download the converted file. Step 2. Set curve file as cursor. Search mouse it in the Windows search bar. Open the program and click the pointer option. Then at the bottom right, click the Browse option and load the element chosen at the beginning, apply the changes, and enjoy your new cursor. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.